Hi guys! We're on the first interview with the girls. So as you know guys, we just had our summer edition photo shoot at that katatapos lang namin. And I'm with the girls.
Hi guys!
Alright. But of course, I know hindi nyo pa sila kilala, most of them. And we're officially introducing them to you. And apart from JC Freedom, we would like to represent and present some of the girls. This is...
Ishma po. Hi po.
That's Ish.
Hello po, I'm Gian.
Guys, kilala nyo na ako. Ako si Priam, guys! Hi!
I'm Redina po. Hello po. Hello po, I'm Tiffany.
Yeah. Okay, so there you go, guys. So alright, so how do you guys feel na nagkaroon tayo ng photo shoot kanina? Redina, ano
Nung nakita ko po yung area, alam ko na pong mag-e-enjoy kaming mga babae. Kasi we enjoy things na alam po namin na kami po yung magkakasama. And of course po, we feel tired but also relieved from the photo shoot kasi po alam na po namin we did our best to promote the brand. Thank you.
Ano sa tingin mo yung first na, I know hindi mo na first time to second time mo to shoot with the brand, pero this time, what's the difference? First shoot natin compared to the summer edition na shoot.
I think po, parehas naman pong pagdating mo po doon parang need mo talaga ng water po.
Oo, kasi mainit po yung location. Apart from that, ano sa tingin nyo yung mas maganda pang, or sa opinion nyo, I should say, sa opinion nyo, ano yung, or saang location magandang gawin yung summer edition na shoot?
Siguro isasuggest ko po yung when it comes sa summer design, siguro po sa dagat. Kasi ngayon, syempre summer, mainit. And yun yung siguro yung pinaka magandang spot na gawin tong shoot na to kasi yung mga colors and yung energy namin, mababagay siya sa dagat. So yun.
Sa design, ang pinaka-favorite nyo?
My favorite design po is the Evil Eye po.
Okay.
I like the color po and the details po.
You like the colors and the details. Okay. How about Redina?
Same po. Favorite color. Favorite styling ko po is, style po ng new shirt is this Evil Eye shirt po kasi malamig po siya sa mata and it feels like me po pero elevated.
Elevated.
Ako naman, syempre, itong white kasi white can go with everything, guys. Kasi super simple niya tapos yung design, very comfy, tsaka yung tela niya, hindi gaano kainit. So, yun.
For me naman po is itong black. This is my style po and this is my go-to-go outfit po.
For me naman po, yung Evil Eye din po. Kasi parang it match po dun sa neutral color palette po na lagi kong sinusuot.
So, another question. Saang part nung shoot natin ang mas nag-enjoy kayo?
Okay, siguro po yung pinaka-favorite moment ko na sa part ng shoot namin is yung nagtatawanan kami kasi very pure po yung actions namin doon and then syempre nag-enjoy po kami kasi nalabas namin yung totoong kami. So, yun po.
Sa akin naman po is yung rumarampa po kami sabay yung music. Kasi po, alam nyo po, kilala nyo po kami, mahilig po kami sa mga pageant, sa mga fashion po and that really reveals our personality po. For me po yung sumasayaw po kami. Gustong-gusto ko lang po talaga.
Oo, actually si Gian, during the first shoot din namin, na buti na kunan ng BTS yung moment na nagti-TikTok sila and nung nabuo namin yung video, nag-add talaga siya ng, alam mo yon, ng meaning doon sa video ng unang release ng... Let's talk about something else naman. Okay? When it comes to fashion or yung choice of clothing ninyo is na babago ba yung mood ninyo?
Personally po, yes po kasi if gusto po namin yung sinusuot po namin, it gains us confidence and that confidence will make our day and our day better po.
Talk about your personal life. Okay?
Dapat isa sasagot niya.
Oo. Ano yung gustong-gusto nyong sabihin sa mga parents nyo na hindi nyo pa nasasabi? Should we start with Priam? Yeah? I think we should start with Priam. Go ahead.
Ano siguro, ang gusto kong sabihin sa parents ko is, na-appreciate ko sila. Huwag mo akong tignan. Okay lang yan. Hindi, na-appreciate ko sila. Hindi kasi ako very showy, pero very lucky and grateful ako na sila yung parents ko kasi hindi lahat ng parents is supportive. Tapos, the way sila mag-support sa ginagawa ko. And then, very magka-vibe talaga kami. Tsaka, very understanding talaga sila. And, super open ako sa kanila kasi, yun yung mga times na na-appreciate ko sila and super love ko sila sa mga ganun nilang ginagawa kasi natutulungan nila ako mentally. Yun po.
Parang nablangko po ako sa iyak. For me din po, same lang din po kay Free. Magti-thank you po ako sa tatay ko ng sobra-sobra kasi po nakikita po ng iba yung mga efforts po ng daddy ko. And pag sinasabi po nila sa akin na, "Hoy, Radina, ang supportive ng daddy mo, no? Sana all." Ganun po yung sinasabi nila. Siyempre, nagiging emotional din po ako. Pero, yun nga din po, hindi rin po kasi ako showy na tao. And I am so grateful for my dad po kasi even though my mom is not here anymore, he still makes time for us, me and my siblings, and I am so grateful for that po.
Gusto ko po mag-thank you sa parents ko kasi nakikita ko po yung efforts nila. And habang tumatanda po, mas nare-realize ko po na yung mga way nila ng pagsasabi sa akin, yun lang din yung makakabuti sa akin. Kasi nare-realize ko po na they're right. I just don't like their tone po. Pati po kay daddy kasi kahit na-stroke siya, ramdam ko pa rin po talaga na napaka-supportive po niya. Like, nahihirapan po siyang maglakad pero pumupunta pa rin po siya para mag-support sa akin. And gusto ko lang pong malaman nila, napapagod din po ako.
Yung about po sa pananamit ko po. Kasi actually po pag lumalabas po ako ng bahay, hindi po nila alam yung suot ko. Nasa bag ko po pala kasi I know po very conservative po sila sa bahay. Sakit lang po sa akin kasi alam ko lang po sa sarili ko na alam ko po i-align yung mga damit ko po sa mga pinupuntahan ko. And alam ko po rin sa sarili ko, doon po ako comfortable. And sana po maintindihan po nila yun. Though I really appreciate their concerns po. Tindahan po talaga nila yun. Sobrang na-appreciate ko po lahat ng ginagawa nila para sa akin po sa mga modeling ko po. Super supportive po nila sa lahat po ng pageants ko. Lagi po sila nandiyan, nanonood po sa akin. Kahit manalo po ako or matalo po.
It's okay, let it out.
Kasi po, ako po yung panganay. Pag panganay po, dapat strong po. Hindi po talaga kami close kasi hindi po ako makapag-open po talaga sa kanila kasi feel ko po, i-judge po nila ako sa mga sasabihin ko po. Tapos, ngayon po, na po nila ako na sana mag-open ka na ganyan. Pero sobrang hirap po sa akin. Hindi ko po alam kung bakit. Parang sobrang layo po ng feeling. Yung napipil ko po yung loob ko po sa kanila doon. Kaya, pag nasa labas po, kasama ko po yung mga kaibigan ko. So, accepted po ako, gano'n. Pero I know naman po na love lang po nila ako, kaya po ginagawa po nila lahat yun sa akin.
I'm pretty sure, it's just, you just need a matter of one-on-one conversation with maybe your mother, without judging each other. Yeah. So you mentioned earlier na parents are quite conservative and para sa'yo, mas nagbo-boost yung confidence mo pag medyo you show a little bit of skin and medyo fashionable yung dating mo. So I'm sure your parents would understand that. I'm sure na pag sinabi mong, "Mommy or Dad, I understand your concern. I know that you always support me, but wearing something like this makes me feel more confident and more comfortable. Just always find a perfect time, guys. Perfect time. That's what I always say to Freya, our daughter, na if she wants to say something, always find the perfect time. Because as parents, pagod kami. We're not only thinking about what's happening right now, but we are also preparing for your future. Kasi kayong mga teens, ang iniisip nyo ngayon is, gusto kong lumabas, gusto ko lang go out with my friends. But as parents, very forward na yung mga yung pag-iisip namin.
Tingnan namin yung mga possible. Especially kayo guys, your girls. We don't want you to get parang mabastos or mapahamak. That's why sometimes parang nagiging judgy
yung tone ng mga parents. That's my suggestion to you, Gia, is that sit down, find the perfect time na hindi stress si mommy. Like, ma, are you busy? May sasabihin ako sa'yo, or labas tayo, or upo tayo sa labas. May sasabihin lang ako sa'yo.
Same goes with Ishma.
Yes, same goes with you. Nothing goes wrong with communication. You always have to remember that. Nothing will go wrong as every time you communicate, and that will be the stepping stone to getting the connection to your parents. Diba? Yes, our most silent girl. Most silent girl. Most silent girl, but she has the fiercest look. Yeah.
So, hi guys. Walang iiyak.
Very special to you kasi andyan si mom mo in front of you. So, it's not something you wish you could say.
But she's right there.
She's right there. Yeah. You can communicate. Kasi this is the right moment for that.
Mommy, I know you're listening in there. Diba? This is the time for your mom to, hear what's your thoughts. And I'm pretty sure your mom will understand.
So, first po is very thankful po kasi I have a mother like her in my life. Na nagpaka-strong siya for me. And very thankful kasi po na pag sa ACADS po, na parang gusto ko na pong sumuko. And I will tell her yung nararamdaman ko kapag yung kahit isa lang pong subject mababa yung grade, iiyakan ko na po. Sasabihin ko po sa kanya. Tapos kapag parang hindi po ako nasama sa iiyak na din po ako. And andyan po siya para i-cheer up niya po ako palagi. And I'm very, very sorry po kasi I was being rude to her. Always. She always support me sa mga journey ko po. Na siya po yung number 1 supporter ko po sa life ko po. And thankful po ako na siya po talaga yung naging nanay ko. Na kahit magagalit na siya, iinisin ko pa din. So, yun lang po.
This is just quick one question. When was the last time you say you love your parents or you love your mom or your dad?
Personal or
yes.
lang?
Personal. Kailan yung huling sinabihan nyo yung mga magulang nyo na mahal nyo sila?
Three years old.
Messenger.
See? That's the silence. So this is the connection that we were talking about earlier. You can't remember the last time you say you love your parents. But us, moms, as your parents, we know when was the last time we say we love you. See the difference there? So if you want to have that connections with your parents, you need to make sure that you tell to them that you love them. You reciprocate. When you go home later, I want you to think deeply and observe your parents just for a minute or two and look how they were reacting and how much hard work they were doing for you. And that moment na nakikita niyong nahihirapan sila, you just say, Ma, okay lang yan, I love you. Pa, okay lang yan, I love you. Okay? So that is what the meaning of this interview, guys. You know, it's all about wellness and well-being. Okay, so thank you so much for your time, girls, and I'm so thankful that you were open enough to, you know, voice out what you were really feeling towards yourself, towards your parents, and we really hope na you've learned something from not only the brand but of course with the crew. You know? Okay. So this is like we said, thank you so much guys for watching, and as you can see, to all the parents out there that is watching this video, my simple message to you is, you know, let's try to listen to our children and find time to, you know, sit down with them and put yourself in their shoes. So, mag-meet halfway and maiwasan yung pagkakaroon ng samaan ng loob or loss of connection. This is a perfect example that sometimes as parents just needs to maybe approach our children or especially the teens. The teens are the toughest, pinakamahirap talaga na stage na alagaan yung mga anak. And this is the time that they need someone na would listen to them and understand them. Okay? Thank you so much for watching, guys. Yes, all is well.